Hey guys, welcome to Surfing Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to plot histograms in Microsoft Excel. With this aim, I have already generated certain data of different numbers like you see here. Remember, we plot histogram for a single column data, so that's why I have generated a single column data. And I want to select certain data from here, and let me select this much data, and I want to construct a histogram of this much data. So the selected data will be plotted. I come here to insert tab, and on the insert tab I come to charts uh, group, and clicking on the small arrow in the corner I come over here, and by default it is unrecommended charts, but I click the tab all charts, and then in the options I come down to histogram. I click on histogram, and again there are two different options available: the symmetric histogram or the Pareto. So you will go to whichever one you like. So I select the first one and then click OK, and you see a histogram is plotted, but the bin size of the histogram has been automatically selected, and I want to change this bin size for in such a way that every type of data should be plotted in a separate bin. For example, we have 4, this is one type of data, 5 is another type of data, 6 and 7, these are different types of data, and I want them to be plotted in separate bin. So what I do, I just count the number of types of data. 4 is one type, 2, 3 and 4. I have 4 types of data, and I want to plot every type of data in a separate bin. That I can do by coming here to the Format tab, and if I click the Format tab, then I come here to Chart Area, and in the Chart Area, I click on the drop-down menu, and then I select a horizontal axis. When the horizontal axis is selected, then come here to the Size tab and click the small the strong arrow. It will open this window. And here, if you are not already on the axis option, you will click the axis option. And inside the axis option, we have these 3 options, and I will select the bars axis options, and then inside it you see here automatically is selected, and that's why we have an automatic bin size. So I come down here to the number of bins, and since I have 1, 2, 3, 4 types of data, therefore I change the number of bins to 4 and then click enter. You see now, for every type of data there is a separate bin. Now, if I look at the 7 number, only one number is selected here. Therefore, the bin size of the 7 is just of height 1. Whereas for the others, for 4, I have 2 numbers. Therefore, the bin size of 4 is 2. And this is for 5, it is 3. And for 6, it is 4. So accordingly, the height of the bin is changed for the number of particular data present in the slide. Now, if I want to include the rest of the data, I just put my cursor uh, on this corner, and then drop down. Let me select uh, all the 7 number inside the data, and you see now the height of the 7 has gone to 5 because there are 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to include the rest of the data, I do the same, and let me drop. I want to add all the data. So again, now there are the number of bins is 4, but now I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 types data. Therefore, I change the number of bins in this area from 4 to 8. If I enter this, now for every type of number, I have a different bin, and the maximum bin corresponds to number 7. There are 5 values of this number 7. Okay, with that selected, now I close this up, and here these two options appears. By clicking the plus sign, you see you can check or uncheck different option. If I uncheck the axis, so the data along the axis would disappear, and I check this in. Similarly, I can add titles, so now the titles are present here. You can give different names, and I uncheck for the time being. And you can do the same over here. You can add legends. If I click on this, the legend would appear here. So I uncheck this one too. And then from here, I can change the color, the style. So I'm on the style option over here. So these are the different styles available. If I check this one, it gives me the number of heights or the number of data. This one, the 4 has 2, this one has 3, 4, 5, and so on. And from clicking on the color tab, I can change the color. For example, I can go to here, to green, or whatever color you choose. So this will give you the number of colors. And you can selecting this again, you can come to chart size, and the same option that are available over here can be chosen from this these options. And there are colors, you can choose the same color over here, so that happens in the chart design. And you can move the chart. If you click this, here are the option object sheet, etc., but I don't want to go there. And then I would just like to finish this by saying, if you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also hit the like button in the video. Thanks for watching.